time for a very big segment as the OTC, the king of WWE, the World Heavyweight Champion, making his epic entrance here on Monday Night Raw. Roman Reigns is very happy after defeating Jacob Fatu in a brutal tribal combat match at Clash in Italy. Once to the sky, and sky is the limit for the OTC Roman Reigns. Jacob Fatu will acknowledge Roman Reigns tonight. But the biggest question is, who will be the next challenger for the OTC after Jacob Fatu? Is that Oba Femi or someone else? We will find out tonight here on Wrestling Justice.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time because there is no day like Acknowledgement Day!
Yes, sir. Jacob Fatu acknowledging the king of WWE, Roman Reigns. Jacob Fatu bore down to Roman Reigns. Jacob Fatu is the new enforcer of Roman Reigns' bloodline. So now it's the Usos and Jacob Fatu with Roman Reigns. Bloodline has become more dangerous than ever with the addition of Jacob Yarami Fatu. The bloodline is leaving. Oh no! The lights are out! It's Oba Femi the ruler! Oh god! Oba Femi is very angry after losing against Brock Lesnar at Clash in Italy. Brock Lesnar destroyed Oba Femi at Clash in Italy with 7 F5s, and now Oba Femi wants to target Roman Reigns. With an injured arm, Oba Femi is making his entrance. Oba Femi wants to win the King of the Ring tournament and wants a shot against Roman Reigns for the World Heavyweight Championship. Oba Femi will attack Roman Reigns and demand the world title match after that. Oba Femi wants to destroy Brock Lesnar and Roman Reigns both. Oba Femi wants to become the top champion in WWE, top superstar of WWE, destroying everyone who are coming into his path, including the former Bloodline member Solo Sikoa. And now everybody looking to target Oba Femi, but the ruler will not back down. He will fight back. Uppercut. Another running uppercut by Oba Femi. Another uppercut. One more Solo Sikoa with a splash. But look at Oba Femi. Absolutely no effect on the ruler. Spike. No. Bang. A right hand. What a freak Oba Femi is. The ruler of WWE is creating chaos here on Raw. And now smashing Solo Sikoa. The Polo Bear Solo Sikoa is getting destroyed by the ruler, Oba Femi. And everybody is enjoying every second of it. Oba Femi teaching Solo Sikoa a big lesson and telling the same way I will destroy Roman Reigns, the same way I'm destroying you. Oh no! Bang! Fall from Reigns. Oba Femi with a victory. He pinned Solo Sikoa. And that's a hint that Oba Femi will go after Roman Reigns. And now Jacob Fatu smashes Roman Reigns into the steel post. And posing once to the sky. Jacob Fatu, the Samoan werewolf, with a kick to the gut of the OTC. And now, Yarami. Sends the OTC at ringside. Jacob Fatu losing all the control. Right hand by Reigns. Roman Reigns has something big in his mind. The OTC showing his physique, his biceps. And now the OTC picks up the steel steps. Oh God, no way. And throws it onto the head of Jacob Yarrami Fatu. That's why Roman Reigns is the true king of WWE. And Jacob Fatu in big trouble. OTC. Is feeling it. Roman Reigns telling the fans. I'm gonna end this. Oh, Jacob Fatu, the Samoan werewolf, counters with a splash. And now Fatu, hip attack. And Fatu now dancing. Roman Reigns. The toolbox smashes the arm, the hand of Jacob Fatu. So that Jacob Fatu does not use the tongue and death grip on Roman Reigns. The most vicious submission move in the current time. The tongue and death grip of Jacob Fatu will be failed tonight because Roman Reigns destroyed the hand of Jacob Fatu, which he uses to apply the tongue and death grip. And now another attack to the hand of Jacob Fatu. Fatu is screaming with pain. The pain is not bearable for the Samoan werewolf, but somehow he is managing to survive in this match. Again, Reigns sends Fatu inside the ring. The OTC roars like a lion because he is a lion. A spear by the king. Kick out by the mighty werewolf, the Samoan werewolf Jacob Fatu. Roman Reigns telling Fatu, tongue and death grip. Tongue and death grip. But the hand gave up because of the dangerous attacks of Roman Reigns' Superman punch. But Fatu is still standing, still dancing. No effect again. Oh God. Jacob Yarrami Fatu. Reigns smashes Fatu into the exposed steel. Spear by Jacob Fatu this time. Cover. Kick out by Roman Reigns. What a match. And now Reigns again roars. Pop up Samoan drop by the mighty werewolf Jacob Fatu. Oh no. Fatu with a mighty moonsault. Going for the cover. Jacob Fatu with the cover on Roman Reigns. But the OTC with a low blow. And an epic kick out. Just like 2020 Roman Reigns. A spear through the table. The king of WWE destroying the Samoan werewolf. Proving everyone that nobody can stand in front of him. Even to this day. Roman Reigns with a cover after an epic spear and a victory. Reigns retains the title. And now Brock Lesnar. The title of WWE. The Beast Incarnate. With an F5. Brock Lesnar telling Obafemi to get back on his feet. And again, absolute destruction. Another F5. The Carnage creator, Brock Lesnar. F5. And another kick out by Obafemi. And now Femi going for the choke slam on Brock Lesnar. Lesnar again escapes. Brock Lesnar knows the game of Obafemi very well now. Look at the slow motion. F5. Another cover by the Beast. Kick out by Femi. Now Femi sends Lesnar outside and also went outside. What close line. The referees and the commentators and the fans all are shocked. And now Oba Femi clears the announcer's table. Femi. Oh, got smashed into the steel post. And now Brock Lesnar with a Kimura lock. Kimura lock locked in. And now Femi smashes Lesnar into the steel post again. What a freak. And now going for the chalk slam on the Beast. Beast again escapes. Overpowering Oba Femi. F5 through the announcer's desk. What a match. Absolute destruction from the side of Brock Lesnar, but Oba Femi is still managing to fight back against him. Another uppercut. And Oba Femi, look at the strength. Mamma mia. And now Femi looking to end Brock Lesnar again, the same way he did at WrestleMania. But Lesnar escapes again. Third epic counter in this match in F5 by the Beast incarnate, the Juggernaut of WWE, who subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more. Brock Lesnar.